What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have an exciting package from our friends over at YESLAK. I've made a couple of videos on their products which are top tier, so be sure to check them out. They'll be in one of these two corners here. So what YESLAK sent over are some wheel covers, but not for the 18-inch arrows. These are for the 19-inch stilettos. The Model 3 had a specific wheel design from 2017 through 2020 called the Stiletto Sport Wheel, which I think are the best wheel design Tesla's come out with by far. So as we open up the box, we have what looks like, what are these? I guess rim decals, but they're blank. Kind of cool, but I would have liked to have had a original Tesla T on these. Next up, we're going to have two pieces of foam. Now, these go around the rim cover to protect your OEM wheel from getting curb rash, scratched, or damaged by any debris that can get stuck in there. Trust me, you don't want to have that happen. I had that happen on my last wheel covers on my 18-inch wheels, and it was a nightmare. So, great job. I will say they are very well packaged and protected. I love that. These wheel covers are going to come in design of the Ubertine wheel covers that you get with the performance model, which is pretty cool. Not bad, right? And these wheel covers have a really pretty matte finish. I mean, looks spectacular. All right, let's go put these bad boys on. Before we get started, I want to make sure that you guys head on over to YESLAK.com. They are a premium Tesla accessory store. They're going to take care of you guys. Any make, any model, you name it, they got it. So first I'm thinking I want to take off I have a cap cover here, so let's see if I can get that off. Oh, I scratched that. Fudge. I have to order a new one. With the foam they gave us, I put it around the edges of the cap cover like so, and I also put foam on little clips, as you can see. Now I'm going to line up the valve stem here, and give it a nice little tap, just like that. There we are. It sits nice and flush with the rim. You can see the styrofoam protecting my OEM rim underneath it. These look great. And just like that, you now have some 19-inch Ubertine wheel covers for your Stiletto wheels. Personally, I think these look fantastic. I love the matte finish on them. It's like a satin, which is really beautiful in the sunlight. I think these are going to be great for any road trips that I take to protect my wheels underneath. And it's just a different look. So if I want to change things up, I can pop them on, pop them off, and I got something different. As an added bonus, apparently these wheels can add up to 9 miles on your range when you have the wheel covers on. So we're always looking for more range here, right? Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And like always, be blessed, take care, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.